We're going to create beautiful waves in the hair. I'm going to tong the top of the hair, just a section on the very top like this, just two curls. Bring them over and let the wave start. Bringing it around, place your hand in and bring it into an S shape. Look at that. Now I'm going to spray it and place my butterfly clip on the top of the wave. Here we go. Again, brush it down. Look at this. See the top of the wave that's just there? We're just going to brush everything in and then on that top part, place your butterfly clip. Put a little bit of hairspray on and put the clip on. Now, as you're working down the hair, look at this. Again, just place that in like that and put your clip on. You know, waves are one of the most asked hairstyles. Look at this. Here we go. There they all are going down the side of the head. Now, when you take your butterfly clips out, be very careful that you don't pull the wave at the same time. And here is your beautiful style.